Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Guess what guys? We're back in Lake District. Oh my god, so beautiful. The eagle eye amongst you guys, especially the subscribers, will probably recognize this place. We actually hiked this exact place before in the last, I don't know, like 5 or 6 videos. And it is still pretty much the same, except it's no longer winter. And you can see the sheep here, oh my god. They no longer have the fur, they got trimmed. Poor sheep. But yeah, the weather is beautiful today. And we just got out from Old Dungeon Gill, the pub, where we had a quick lunch. It took us about quite a distance to travel there from Manchester this morning. And right now, because it's summer, we have a lot of daylight. So we have daylight until 9:40 p.m. before it's sunset. So hopefully we can hike for maybe 8 hours today. And maybe if we have the energy, we can go to Scafell Pike and back. Or we might stop somewhere around the Tarn that we used to camp before, depending on our energy level, because we haven't hiked for so long. But yeah, excited. Let's go and explore Lake District.
Oh, here's a little story for you. Let's sit right down and talk it through. You found a little love and give it back again. Is it supposed to be this hard? Cause you're tired of sitting here on your own. Yeah, you're tired of the feeling that you need someone.
Yeah, surprisingly the trail isn't so crowded. Actually, there's almost nobody. So I don't know if everybody's up already. We'll see.
And I forgot to tell you guys, this is just after the COVID lockdown is relaxed in the UK. Just now we also met one English family that used to live in Malaysia, in Subang Jaya. Oh my goodness. And they recognize us from our accent, so they say terima kasih. So far we still have quite a bit of climb to go, and then we'll reach Angleton where we used to camp, hopefully by 4 p.m. And then after that we can go further up, maybe towards Scafell Pike, I'm not sure. What do you think?
Sprinkling Tarn.
Sprinkling Tarn, not Scafell Pike today.
I mean, we can if we want to camp over there. But yeah, I don't want to go into that situation again where we had to find a campsite in a hurry before sundown. Nope.
And we made it to Angleton! Oh my god, so beautiful! Remember last time we can't even see the lake because it was completely fogged up, but now it's clear, the weather is perfect. And check that out guys, so beautiful, so sunny. What? And we used to camp right over there, if you guys remember. Somewhere around there, I think I'm pointing at the right direction. Yeah, but the wind, oh my goodness, even now it's summer and the wind is so strong, especially at the ridge up there. Oh, beautiful! And check out the sheep having a good picnic over there guys, look at that. Facing the water, oh my goodness, they really know how to enjoy life. Good sheep! Right guys, so we are now at another ridge. We decided not to camp at Angleton today. Oh my god, it's drizzling. Because we want to go to Sprinkleton, which is just over there. You can see it right there. There's already 2 tents over there though. And then I think these guys are gonna be the 3rd tent. Not sure whether you can see them. And it's quite frustrating because Scafell Pike is just another 250 meters again. I think that's Scafell, I'm not sure. But I decided that it's best for us not to rush, and then we're gonna tackle Scafell Pike tomorrow. And for tonight, we're just gonna camp at Sprinkling Tarn. So yeah, we survived the rain. It was like a very short rain. The rain here is usually like 15 seconds or 20 seconds. And yeah, welcome to Sprinkling Tarn. This place is so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. And there's already about 5 or 6 tents over here. So it seems like a lot of people actually do camp in the summer. But during winter, you can see nobody over here at all. Which is why we prefer the winter. But yeah, pretty nice, beautiful. Let's set up the tent. It's been a while since we last wild camped because of obviously COVID. So it took us a bit of time to get used to setting up the tent again. Yeah, thankfully Amalia still remember a lot of things. I forgot a lot of things. Do you remember a lot of things?
No, I think you remember.
And something that's different about camping during summer is you don't have to worry about the ground so much. Usually during winter, like we wouldn't sit on the tent floor without like at least this pad. But right now I can lay down on this without feeling too cold. During winter without this, you're gonna freeze.
Ah, there you go.
Thank you. And here's another episode of Wild Camping Cooking with Amalia! Chef Amalia!
Looks good, I think.
Itadakimasu. So good. Lamb biryani with some sausages and spinach.
The next day.
I put it on the lowest, but it's gonna take ages to cook. So
Camp in summer, they say. The weather is gonna be nice, they say. Actually, the temperature kind of dropped down to 3 degrees Celsius yesterday, so it's pretty cold. Thankfully, we packed our winter sleeping bag, otherwise we'll be frozen solid. The wind is still pretty strong, and it's a bit of a drizzle this morning. We're gonna have breakfast right now, and then hike up to Scafell Pike. Ta-da!
this one. I'll settle this one.
Alright, no trace left behind except for some flattened ground. Yeah, it's important to leave no trace because we've seen a lot of pictures recently in the wild camping forums where the campsites are just littered. People just leave their trash behind. So yeah, it's important to make sure you bring all your trash with you. We always carry a trash bag and you're good to go. So this is Scafell Pike, the highest mountain in England. By summiting this, we now have officially completed the 3 highest mountains in Britain. Don't look down on the fact that the elevation is just 978 meters, because the last part of the climb involves some really steep rocky terrain that is quite difficult and dangerous for us to climb with, especially the 17 kilos of weight at our backs.
Hold my hand, don't let go. I understand.
So guys, we are now back in Tarn. It's been quite a long hike throughout the whole day. Oops, something fell down. Yeah, overall, really love the Lake District. This is just beautiful, just amazing for wild camping especially. And if you do come here, remember again, leave no trace behind. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us.
Before the blue skies fade to grey.